Welcome again to Validisha Studio. If you didn't subscribe on previous video, we kindly request you subscribe. Let's sink our mind. Today we understand the great mind behind fundamental of science. Sir Isaac Newton was a remarkable scientist and mathematician whose contributions to the fields of physics, mathematics, and astronomy have had a profound and lasting impact on our understanding of the natural world. Here's a detailed account of his inventions and his journey to success. Early life and education. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, England. His father, a farmer, had died 3 months before his birth, and his mother, Hannah Iscoff Newton, remarried when Isaac was 3 years old. Young Newton showed an early aptitude for learning and an intense curiosity about the world. He attended the King's School in Grantham and later studied at Trinity College, Cambridge. Inventions and discoveries. Calculus. One of Newton's most significant contributions was the development of calculus, a branch of mathematics that deals with rates of change and accumulation. He independently developed the fundamental principles of calculus in the late 17th century. His work laid the foundation for the development of modern mathematics and its application in science and engineering. Laws of motion. In his groundbreaking work Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, often referred to as the Principia, Newton formulated the 3 laws of motion. These laws describe the fundamental principles governing the behavior of objects in motion. They are still used today to explain the motion of everyday objects and celestial bodies. Universal gravitation. Newton's law of universal gravitation is one of his most famous contributions. He proposed that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force that is directly proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This law explained not only the motion of objects on Earth but also the orbits of planets around the Sun. Optics. Newton conducted extensive experiments with light and color, leading to the development of his theory of colors. He demonstrated that white light is composed of a spectrum of colors when passed through a prism. He also designed the first practical reflecting telescope, known as the Newtonian telescope, which used mirrors to reduce chromatic aberration. Newton's path to success was marked by dedication, intellectual curiosity, and perseverance. While at Cambridge, Newton's education was disrupted by the outbreak of the plague in 1665. During this time, often referred to as his annus mirabilis, miraculous year, he conducted groundbreaking research in mathematics, optics, and mechanics. Publishing the Principia, in 1687, Newton published the Principia, which presented his laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation. This work transformed our understanding of the physical world and established him as one of the leading scientists of his time. Academic success. Newton became a professor at Cambridge and continued to conduct research and make significant contributions to various fields throughout his career. He was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society and served as its president. Legacy. Newton's work laid the foundation for classical physics, and his ideas continued to influence generations of scientists and scholars. His legacy extends well beyond his lifetime and remains an integral part of modern science and mathematics. Sir Isaac Newton's inventions and journey to success reflect the immense impact of his intellectual prowess, scientific innovation, and the enduring legacy of his contributions to the world of science and mathematics. His work has left an indelible mark on our understanding of the natural world, and he is celebrated as one of the greatest scientists in history.